How to sell gift card on eBay. Now if you want to sell gift card on eBay, simply open ebay.com and tap to this three vertical lines from top right corner. And after going in there, tap to sell button. And now after tapping into the sell button, you just simply need to tap to this list an item button. And after that, search for gift card in here. And after searching for gift card, you will see all of the matching products or the potential matching products from here. If you have any matching gift card, simply select it from here, or if you don't have, tap to continue without match. Then after doing that much, in this page you just simply need to add all of your details of your product and also the prices as well as the shipping requirements. And after filling out all of the required information in this page, you just simply need to scroll down to all the way to bottom in order to list it in your eBay. So this is how you can very easily sell your gift card on eBay. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.